When I was a teenager, I sustained a really bad head injury. Spring break trip with some friends, a horrible head injury. I lost hearing in one of my ears, completely lost hearing, like just gone. I was deaf. Came back, I was going to doctor after doctor. My mom was taking me to a bunch of different doctors. One of them actually told me I needed brain surgery, but that might not fix it. It was just like horrible news after horrible news. One day she says, I want to take you to this supplement expert. At the time I was kind of like, this is mumbo jumbo. I'm a 17-year-old kid. I'm like, these naturopath doctors aren't real. This sounds like BS. She pushes me through, she gets me to do it, and I agree. Reluctantly. So we go to this naturopath doctor and they give me this high dose arnica supplement, super high dose. Within 2 days, my hearing comes back completely. And this isn't like made up in my head. I had gotten my hearing tested. I had 2% hearing left. Went back to the doctors, got it retested up to 89, 90% hearing. So this really happened. It was documented. And from there, I became a huge believer in supplements. I was obsessed with supplements. I spent all my time researching supplements. I worked at GNC, taking 50, 100 supplements a day, sometimes just absolutely obsessed with supplements. So when I started Physician's Choice, I came with the idea, hey, I want to start a supplement company with the highest quality supplements, efficacious supplements, high doses that I would take myself, or I would recommend to my parents, my family members, supplements I would actually use, things I really believed in. And so that's what we did. And with our 60 billion probiotic, we've created a highly effective product, proven strains, 60 billion CFUs. I firmly believe it's the best probiotic on the market. And there's a reason it's the #1 probiotic on Amazon. We're sold in Walmart, Target, CVS, 70,000 different retail distribution points. It's not by happenstance, it's because it's a great product that I take every day myself, my family takes. Physician's Choice makes world-class products. I'm a true believer in all our products, or I wouldn't make them. So I hope you guys take our products. I think you should give it a shot. If you don't love it, if you don't absolutely love our product, we have a 100% money-back guarantee, refund automatically, no questions asked. But I believe this product could change your life.